In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a developer to your Stripe account. This is a quick and easy process that takes only a few minutes and allows you to efficiently manage your team within your Stripe dashboard. Whether you're working with a developer to handle integrations or automate payments, setting up proper access ensures a smooth and secure workflow. First, open your web browser and go to stripe.com. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner and click on the Sign In button. You'll be taken to the login page where you'll need to enter your email address and password. Make sure the details are correct to avoid any login issues. If you have two-step verification enabled, complete that process as well to access your account securely. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Stripe dashboard homepage. From here, click on the settings icon. It usually looks like a small gear or cog. This will open the settings panel where you can manage different aspects of your Stripe account. Next, scroll down to the account settings section and click on Team and Security. This is where you can view your current team members and manage their access levels. To add a new developer, click on the Add Member button. A new window will appear where you'll need to enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Type it in carefully to make sure there are no errors, as this is the email where Stripe will send the invitation. After entering the email, assign the developer role to the new member. This role gives them access to technical areas of your account, such as APIs and integrations, while keeping sensitive financial information secure. Once everything is set, click on Send Invite. Stripe will immediately send an email invitation to the developer, allowing them to join your account. The developer just needs to open the email and follow the on-screen instructions to accept the invitation and set up access. Before you finish, make sure that you only invite trusted developers and review their permissions regularly to keep your account secure. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add a developer to your Stripe account quickly and safely. This helps ensure efficient collaboration while maintaining proper account security. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.